How to delete recent ad activity on Facebook. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you delete recent ad activity on your Facebook. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open Facebook app with your account. Alright, so after you open the Facebook with your account, you'll got such interface. So from here, you'll have to tap on your profile icon just at the top right corner. And now from here, you'll have to scroll down and go to the option setting and privacy. And from here, tap on settings. Okay, so from the setting and privacy, you'll have to scroll down and go with the sections like your activity. And now from here, you'll have to tap on activity log. Okay, so from the activity log, you'll have to tap on this your Facebook activity. Alright, so from here you can review all of the recent activity on the Facebook. So like you can choose any one of these ad activity on Facebook. So from here you can choose any one. And now from here you will be able to see every recent ad activity on your Facebook. So to delete that, you'll have to just tap on that three dot just at the right hand section of that post. So simply tap on that. And now from here you can easily get that option delete. Okay, so in this way you can also delete recent activity on your Facebook. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.